Hello students, today we are going to discuss a very important and interesting topic, that is light. What are you seeing in this picture? This picture, a bulb is glowing and producing light.
How do we see objects around us? Whenever light falls on an object, the object reflects the light. When this light is received by our eyes, we are able to see the variety of objects around us. This is the reason why things become visible on lighting up the room. Light is transmitted through a transparent medium. There are many wonderful phenomena related with light, such as 1. Image formation by mirrors. 2. Twinkling of stars. 3. Beautiful colors of rainbow and many more. Nature of light. Light travels in a straight line. A small source of light casts a sharp shadow of an opaque object, indicating a ray of light. Traveling of light in a straight line is called the straight line propagation of light. Straight line propagation of light helps in the study of phenomenon of 1. Reflection. Reflection of light is a phenomenon of bouncing back of light in the same medium on striking the surface of any object. 2. Refraction. The bending of light as it is deviated from the straight line path from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light.
Reflection of light. When light falls on the surface of an object, some of it is sent back. So reflection of light is the phenomenon of bouncing back of light in the same medium on striking the surface of any object. In reflection, path of light rays changes without any change in medium. Reflection is of two types: regular reflection and irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. Now, what is regular reflection? When the reflecting surface is smooth and well polished, the parallel rays falling on it are reflected parallel to one another. So, you can say the reflected light goes in one particular direction, and this is called regular reflection. A smooth and well polished surface from which light suffers regular reflection is called a mirror. Irregular reflection. When reflecting surface is rough, the parallel rays falling on it are reflected in different directions. As such, a reflection is known as diffuse reflection or irregular reflection. We know that light travels in a straight line path. This is true as long as light rays are traveling in the same medium, having the same density throughout. If, however, the light rays are made to go from one medium to another, the light rays changes their direction at the boundary between the two media. The change in direction of light when it passes from one medium to another obliquely is called refraction of light. Refraction of light is due to the change in speed of light on going from one medium to another.